Welcome to the personal property tour for Lodge 3, Fourth View, Letham Feus in Leven. This is a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-shower room, open plan lounge, kitchen, dining space. Really great style living. You've got a wraparound decked area here as well that I'm standing on. Beautiful property, but actually, as it says in the title, Fourth View. Wait till you see this. Look at that stunning view. Isn't it gorgeous? Just beautiful. So such a lovely view in a great location, and I'm just going to let you see the actual property. And this is your full property here. So you can see this lovely decked area comes all the way down here. You've got your off-street parking down here as well. To actually come into the holiday park, you come in at the top end here and you're literally just driving down and you're right to your lodge. This is beautiful. Immaculate inside, moving condition. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. So as you can see, you've got your monoblocked off-street parking there as well. But it's such a lovely lodge. We're going to start literally as soon as we come into the open plan area. So you've got your open plan kitchen, as you can see. You've got this dining space as well, but you've got this beautiful lounge area. And this is an L-shaped sofa and it's quite large. And you've also got an additional sofa seat here and also here. You've got a lovely feature fireplace here, lots of space. Really bright with all your wraparound window here as well. Because you don't want to be missing out on that view, do you? Isn't that stunning? It's just absolutely glorious. Such a lovely view. But isn't that a nice sized room? And I love this bit as well, where it's all open up. So if you were socialising in here, what a great space. You could have the patio doors open. You could literally have your friends, your family here. You could be cooking up a storm in the kitchen while everyone's relaxing, enjoying that balcony and those views. Isn't it gorgeous? So you've plenty of space for your dining furniture here as well. Kitchen-wise, really well equipped. You've got integrated appliances, you've got your fridge and your freezer. You've got lots of storage, as you can see. But also integrated here, you've got your oven, your hob. You've also got your extractor above. You've got your microwave and you've got your washing machine. But it's lovely and bright, isn't it? And as I say, that's nice that that's all open and sees right through, isn't it? It doesn't stop your entertainment and your fun with your family and your friends. And when you stand here, just look at that view. Isn't it gorgeous? I can see right across Berwick Law just from standing here. So we're going to go into the other space. So in here, we come into the first hallway and you can see straight away, you've got a lovely single room in here. So you've got all this fitted furnishings. I like that backsplash as well. You could potentially put a double bed in here, but actually it works really nice as a single, doesn't it? You've got all these fitted wardrobes in here as well. It's a really lovely space. And then we come back out into the hallway. And then off of here, you've got a shower room. So this is great if you have got guests with you. So again, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, your WC, you've got all this lovely inbuilt furniture as well. And also you have your walk-in shower with your thermostatic shower controls. Isn't that lovely, all the tiling as well? It's a really nice finish, isn't it? It's actually quite spacious. So from here, we go back out into the hallway and then straight ahead is the master bedroom. So again, this is a very nicely laid out room. You can see it's almost like a boutique hotel, isn't it? But you've got all these lovely windows, so it's nice and bright. You've got nice fitted furniture, as you can see there. Plenty of space. You've got this nice sized double bed in here. You've got fitted wardrobes around here as well. So it really is a lovely sized room. I love this decor at the back as well. That's where kind of the boutique hotel feel comes from. Isn't it nice? It's a beautiful way. And then from here, the bonus with this as well is you also have an ensuite shower room. So you've got your WC, your wash hand basin, and again, you've got one of those beautiful fitted showers as well with thermostatic shower control. I love the tiling, it's really designed nicely. And you've got lots of storage on the side here as well. So it really is a spacious master bedroom with ensuite, isn't it? So we'll head back in to the main living space. And again, just as we come down, you can see it's a nice sized room, isn't it? It feels really homely and welcoming. I love this area. And then again, just look at that view. Isn't it stunning? So you've got Largo Law there. You can see right across the bay. You can see Berwick Law. You can actually see some planes coming in here. Isn't it beautiful? Such a clear day across the water. Stunning. Now we're going to head outside. Let you see the outside space again. So as you saw, you've got your off-street parking here. So you're just coming in and then you've got this lovely wraparound decking as well. But it's just so pretty. Can you hear that glider that I saw earlier? It's lovely, isn't it? Such a great space. So you can see you've got Largo Law here, the bay. You can literally see right across the water to Berwick Law. Such a clear day across the water. It is stunning. So peaceful. It's a great spot, isn't it? So let me just summarise for you. So this is Lodge 3, Forth View, Letham Feus in Leven. I think you'll agree it's a beautiful lodge, isn't it? Bespokely done for the owner. But you've got your 2 bedrooms, you've got your separate shower room, you've got your ensuite shower room, you've got your off-street parking. It's in a great location. That view, it is absolutely stunning. You can imagine having those patio doors on and just really enjoying it. But the real big bonus with this one as well is it actually does have permanent residency. So that's quite rare. So it's great that this has that. So you could use this all year round as a permanent home if you wished. But actually, even if you were using it as just somewhere to come and relax with your family, isn't it a great spot? The holiday park actually has quite a few activities going on as well. So you have a children's play park. There's also a games room. So there's darts, pool. Kids can have some fun in there. You've got a bar facility on site and you've got a little shop as well. But actually you're a short drive from everything. So you're not far from London Links. You've got some beautiful golf courses in that area. You can literally drive down to Leven in about 8 minutes. So from there you've got the swimming pool, you've got the beach, you've got the high street. So you've got tapas bars there. You've got some great local pubs. There's so much to do in the high street just now. It looks really great. And also that train station. So if you are using this as a secondary home, really easy to get that train over from Edinburgh straight into Leven, and you're 7-8 minutes in a taxi to a great spot where you really would feel like you're on holiday. But those beaches are fabulous as well. So you've got a lovely sandy stretch of beach that takes you all the way up to Lower Largo as well. So you've got the cruise road down there as well. You've also got the railway in. So there's so much to do there. But you're on the cycle paths, you're on the walkways. If you like cold water swimming, you couldn't be in a better place. If you love golf, there is so many golf courses around this location. Lots for you to do, some of them championship courses as well. So again, really great location for that. But actually great commuter links as well, along to the East Neuk and also across to Kirkcaldy, Edinburgh, etc. as I said earlier. This is the personal property tour, as I say. If you're interested in this one, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. And if you look in the post, you'll actually see the link, and then you've got all the important information as well as your price point. And it's Perry at Five Properties TV. Feeling quite relaxed here, actually. Take care. Bye-bye.